Hi everyone, welcome to Intentionality. So today I'm going to share with you 3 reasons why you may not have enough or you are currently poor. Poor is not an insult but a description because it can be a change of state. So let's get to the business of the day. So the first reason is that you are not investing in yourself. Not investing in yourself. If you really want to have enough, then you must be willing to know enough. Many times people think that wealthy people are just wealthy by luck. No, wealth is controlled by knowledge. What you know matters. When it comes to the dynamics of accumulating wealth, you must have enough knowledge. So the first reason why you may not have enough is simply because you don't know or you don't know enough. And the simple reason is simply because you are not investing in yourself. I want to challenge you to have maybe up to 6 months whereby you focus on yourself and begin to glean from people who have track record of wealth. Sit down and buy from their mindset, buy books, just invest in yourself. So the number one reason why you may not have enough or you are currently poor is simply because you are not investing in yourself. Number 2 is that you are thinking that your job will make you rich. Many people have this mindset and philosophy that the job that they have will make them rich. Of course, there are good jobs that pays well, but your job only solves your short-term needs. That's your rent, your car note, groceries, and so on and so forth. And by the time you deduct that from your paycheck, you'll find out that you don't have enough. So you always be living from paycheck to paycheck. So the second reason why you may not have enough or you are currently poor is simply because you have the mindset that your job will make you rich. And this leads me to my third point, that the third reason why you may not have enough or you are currently poor is simply because you only have one source of income. To be able to build wealth, you must have multiple streams of income. Multiple streams of income. The Bible says this in Ecclesiastes 11 that you must have several streams of income. That just having one source of income will not cause you to have enough. The average millionaire has 7 streams of income. So multi-millionaires and billionaires know this, that to be able to build wealth, you must have multiple streams of income. So these are the 3 major reasons why you may not have enough or you are currently poor. So what must I do then? Number 1, invest in yourself. Go for knowledge. Buy books. Submit yourself under mentorship. Number 2, change that belief system that your job will make you rich. You must have a change of mind, a different orientation that your job can never make you wealthy. Most millionaires and billionaires are not employed, they are deployed, because you have to be deployed to be able to employ. So you must change that philosophy that your job will make you rich. And the third is that you must have the understanding that to be able to build wealth, you must have multiple streams of income. I hope you have found value in this video. Do well to like, share, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much, stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video.